शोबिज़ जगत का हिस्सा होना आसान नहीं है और एक्टिंग करना या ये कहें सेट्स पे होना भी आसान बात नहीं होती। कितनी बार हमारे कलाकार इन्हीं शॉट्स के दौरान सेट्स पे हो जाते हैं बुरी तरीके से घायल। ओवर द इयर्स काफी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज हैव फेस्ड मेनी challenges to be in a part of a show, from falling sick to getting injured during a task to also even winning the task. The show must go on is what they believe in. Before entering a reality show, they are all well aware of the repercussions जो उनको फेस करनी पड़ेंगी, not one but multiple times. Numerous contestants have fallen or even gotten severely injured. आइए चले जानते हैं उन्हीं कलाकारों के बारे में जिन्होंने करी एक और अलग मिसाल कायम अपने प्रोफेशनलिज्म या फिर ये कहें हुए थे इंजर्ड लेकिन फिर भी उनके लिए शो मस्ट गो ऑन का कहावत सही साबित होता है। टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट इज तेजस्वी प्रकाश who actually suffered an eye injury. During a stint in खतरों के खिलाड़ी season 10, Tejasvi was one of the most loved contender, both by the audience and also the competitors inside the show. While performing an underwater stunt, she hurt her eye and was seriously injured. She took to her social media to share that she had an eye hemorrhage. Her eye was blood red and a condition that actually led her to leave the show. The next one being Siddharth Shukla, who actually suffered typhoid. Late Kalakar Siddharth Shukla, who had risen as one of the most crowded competitor of Big Boss 13, was also additionally called the king by the host Salman Khan a few times. He had actually suffered typhoid during his stay in the house. Further, because of this condition, he had to actually take a few days off from the house and be consulted from medical clinic for his recovery. But even after all, his man was unstoppable. He did not leave the show on medical grounds but also took back home the winning trophy of Big Boss 13, Varun Sood and his torn thumb ligament. While the show Khatron Ke Khiladi is unarguably a dangerous show wherein the contestants are seen performing very daredevil stunts, it involves a lot of severe stunts to be performed to the utter precision. The season 11 contender Varun Sood in the middle of his task had injured his wrist and was in throbbing pain. Host Rohit Shetty took care of him and there was any delay to take place in getting medical attention and consultancy for Varun Sood. Later on, it came out that Varun had injured his thumb and torn a ligament. The next one, Aditya Narayan, who bruised an eye with stitches. While in the show Khatron Ke Khiladi yet again season 9, contender Aditya Narayan had hurt his eye during a task. The injury was so bad that he wasn't even able to perform his elimination stunt. He later on took to social media explaining what really happened and said, "I busted my eyelid in the stunt that you watched last night on Khatron Ke Khiladi and had to get 3 stitches. It wasn't anyone's fault, simply a freak accident." Last but not the least, Devalina Bhattacharjy's extreme back pain. Devalina Bhattacharjy was one of the competitors of Big Boss 13. Nevertheless, she left the show halfway. Gopi Bahu of television, popular face, who had a back injury, harmed her back yet again during the stunt on Big Boss 13, which made her leave the show as she was advised of complete bed rest. Vikas Gupta shoulder injury. Vikas Gupta, who rose to fame after being called the mastermind in Big Boss season 11, was disqualified from the famous task-based show Khatron Ke Khiladi hosted for counseling his shoulder injury. The host told him that it was foolish of him to actually hide such an injury and cover it with painkillers rather than getting medical advice. The last on the list being Bharti Singh ki leg injury. Bharti got seriously injured while performing the task of Khatron Ke Khiladi season 9. Bharti's fantasy to arrive on the grand finale was shattered when she sustained a severe leg injury during a task. The host Rohit Shetty made Ridhima step in and take her place. But unfortunately, Aditya and Shamita made their mark. Well, ये तो थे वो टॉप खिलाड़ी जिन्होंने अपने स्टिंट से ये बात साबित करी that the show must really go on, who had to actually suffer major injuries during the performance of their task or better their reality show stints. आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं इन कलाकारों के इन परफॉर्मेंस या ये कहें स्टंट्स के बारे में. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more update about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.